Welcome, everyone is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and today I'll show you how to record your screen for gameplays and other stuff that you might want to use it for. So to begin, you want to start by opening up whatever you will want to record. So I think I already have it launched right here. We'll use Fortnite as an example. And then you want to pull down the notification panel. So I'm just going to flip the screen over so it's easily seen. And you should find right here, I guess the second page, screen recording. All you do is just tap on it. You'll get a little countdown before it actually starts recording. Then you can see that it is. And now whatever you do in here is being recorded. And once you're done recording it, you can just tap right here to stop it, or you can also pull down the notification panel and tap on screen recording again. I already turned it off so it's not blue anymore. And then that recording can be found in the photo gallery, or also right here. So you can just tap right here and you'll see that this is what we have just recorded. Now there's also a couple of settings in there if you want to tweak how it records. So you can go back to that icon, screen recording right here, and instead of tapping on it, you will just hold it like so, and it gives you a couple options. So you have options for sound if you want to record only the sound from the phone or along with your mic, or nothing at all. Then the video quality, now 1080p is the max one that you can record at, even though the screen is 2K. You can also drop it for some reason. And then you also have a file video size. Now you can crank that up all the way and it will most likely give you a better quality of a video with like less artifacts and unwanted stuff on there. Now I assume the smaller it is, the more compressed and less quality in that 1080p you will see. So I'll just use the large one. It will be probably better. But yeah, that's basically all the settings you have for the video recording. And yeah, that is basically how you would use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.